Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today, I'm going to be by myself having fun with you guys. Now let's get started. So, as you remember, in a way back video, like our second video, we made a Speed Champions video. And that was with my brother, but he isn't here today. He went to the store with my mom to go buy my birthday present, because my birthday is in a few more days. So, if you want to see what this is, in our Speed Champions video, you might have remembered my brother saying this, I should say, oopsie doops. That should be pushed. Yeah, this, my brother said it came with a way bigger set. And this was a way bigger set, the Ferrari truck. And it only came with this motorcycle and more people in here. There's a driver in there. This was that, the pizza truck. And as this whole entire thing, it took my brother a few days. I think it was for his birthday, like when he was turning nine something. And now he's about 11, and that is not what I thought was going to happen. And that's how it is. There's all these stickers, like all these things in the back. You can see some companies like Puma, and I can't remember the name of that car. You can't. And then there's that one thing that you get orders from, like when you shop online and stuff, and so weird. Oh, whoa, sorry. I just have my mentions. So next thing is another Ferrari car, just that it's mine. This is a pretty cool one. I think looks pretty old as it used to in the set. Well, past the years, we would change it by changing and changing. And it looked cool by the days. And we turned it all back to its old original place. Okay, so this is it. It's a Ferrari. And my brother might have put the sticker pretty weirdly on. It's almost like for half of his cars, he put his license plates like that. Like, let's see for this one. Yeah, like that. This one doesn't have license plates. So this one's actually a Ferrari, and it's pretty cool because there's persons in here. Oops. And this is a person. This is a view of him. His back is a little bit details like printing. And he didn't have any stickers because do any kind of Lego minifigures have stickers. And the second thing about this is, ready? When I flip this over, you think nothing's gonna fall, right? Well, something did. The hood. And this hood actually came with another hood that you could change. And it comes actually pretty easily on, like that, done. And it falls, but it can't fall when this is on. When this is on, watch, it's a whole different story. It doesn't fall. It's the only thing that saves it from not falling. And it has a lot of details. Those details, Ferrari logo and hood. So, as now I'm gonna feature about this, and it's beautiful two cars, Jaguars. Okay, so the one thing is, let me grab this and this. The one thing about these two cars right here, well, this one is like the old Speed Champions, but this one is like the game changer with the 2 seats. just like this one. And as the coolest thing is, like, if you want to race, watch what happens. 1, 2, 3, bam! It just drives like that. So now that I've shown this, I think that's just something boring. This is a more cooler stuff. I'm gonna start off with this one. Give me some time. I gotta fix this. Okay, right. Oh, good. All good. So this is the Jaguar with 2 seats. See, 2 seats. And the driver for it was a girl, which is not what I thought. None of actually our sets here have girls. No, this is the first ever one. So that's probably 2 game changers, 2 seats and a girl. Then this is a crazy hyper driving, crazy fast Formula a car. It'll go like this. Drifting around those roads of those California stuff. And going crazy. And the second thing actually about this is, look, this. The third car I want to review isn't a really a car. It's this thing. A random crazy colored tower. We got chains from Lightning McQueen. And then we have one with another sticker here. Wait. There's another one with a sticker. Tilting my hands. Hey, this one, that's a window. What's the inside? Oh my god. That's dark in there. It's dark in there. Look in there. Isn't that crazy? It's dark. And I don't think my brother's done any more use on this thing. Okay, let's go back to something I wouldn't believe my brother got for me. This. A Lego pizza truck. Which both of these actually open. But I'm only using this side because this side got a pizza man. Which pizza is like my second favorite food. My favorite country is Italy. And also is this guy came with it. Well, didn't come actually with it. It was just a thing my brother got from like those mini packs that you open and you get a random Lego dude that you have to build. And you stand on buttons. Yeah, he's a pizza. Just like a, what's up, bro? Yeah, it's pretty fun. It came with this, which I do not know. It's a motorcycle. I didn't know it was in that thing. Big boy. And that's half of it, the stuff. So the rest of the stuff we actually know about is pretty weird. And that's more. Let me just do that. There's mustard and a ketchup right there. There's a sticker of pizza orders, $3. And there's a microwave with buttons. Beep, boop, 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 boop. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna go down the stairs to go grab something. I got it. Okay, I think walking up the stairs and walking down the stairs was good. And I got this, thankfully. And I'm kind of confused about something right now that I'm sitting on. This. There's stairs down there. And why isn't it falling? That's weird. So, it's like it's floating. But it isn't floating. And this is a truck. So, this truck came with something else. It was like these little vroom cars. They're like motors. They would go like this. Watch. Like those things. And my brother would be like, I'm so bored. And then he would change it. Just like all these other sets. He changed almost like every single one. Which sometimes makes me like, what is wrong with him? So, as the second thing is about this truck is the cool part. Yeah. There's a hood. Opens, which I didn't do that. My brother did once again. And a lot of the stuff. Wait a minute. Why is this in here? Alright, I'm just gonna put that right here, and he's never gonna notice. Still drives perfect. That's how I should think it is. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell thingy majigger, and last of all, always stay tuned for all of our videos. Bye-bye.